Hello viewers, today I'll show you my very own Sea Bream and Aubergine curry recipe that sure hits all the right spots for a die-hard fish lover. It's simple, wholesome and wonderfully yummy. For this recipe, I'll be using 3 whole sea bream fish that have been cleaned, gutted and have cuts on both sides. Let's season the fish with salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, a bit of lime juice and a bit of oil. Massage the fish all over, both outside and inside, very nicely, and then set it aside. Here I have cut up 1 aubergine into large chunks and sprinkled it with a bit of salt. I'll also need 1 sliced red onion, some defrosted fresh curry leaves, 1 tablespoon each of crushed ginger and garlic, 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds, 1½ teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder and ½ teaspoon each of cumin and coriander powder, as well as 1 teaspoon of hot curry powder. Let's heat some oil in a pot. We need to shallow fry the aubergines for 2 to 3 minutes. Let them sizzle for 2 to 3 minutes, then turn them over and take them out. Add a bit more oil in the same pot and put the sea bream fish inside the pot to sear it on both sides till it is nicely golden. This will take 4 to 5 minutes and then take them out. In the same pot, add the mustard seeds. Give them a stir and let them pop. Then add the onions into the pot and fry them for 4 to 5 minutes. Then add the ginger and garlic paste along with the curry leaves into the pot and give them a good stir. Then add the powdered spices and mix them in. Then add the hot curry powder and blend it in. Now I'll add 3 tablespoons of tomato puree into the pot and blend it in. Add a bit of water to deglaze the pot and blend everything smoothly. Then add enough water to cook the fish and the aubergines. Give the pot a stir. Now it's time to add the sea bream fish back into the pot. Followed by the aubergine pieces. Arrange them nicely inside the pot. Sprinkle salt according to your taste. Then cover and cook on low flame for 30 to 35 minutes. Give the pot a stir once or twice in between, very gently. After 30 minutes, you can see that the fish and the aubergines have cooked through and the curry is ready. Plate up the delicious sea bream and aubergine curry. Ladle generously with the delicious gravy and serve with boiled rice or steamed rice. You can also garnish with some chopped coriander leaves if you so wish. This is a delicious fish curry recipe for you to try at home. Sea bream is a beautiful fish, so you should give it a try and support British fishermen. Eat more fish. It's healthy for you. Enjoy!